But one Dow component didn't benefit from today's rally. We're talking about Intel. Shares tumbled more than 5%. Now, just yesterday, Intel was the best performer in the Dow. So what happened? The company disappointed investors, forecasting sales of computer chips that will be flat next year as it makes a stronger push into mobile devices. Investors are questioning Intel's mobile strategy. Dominic Chu has more.
Intel is in for some big changes. The PC business, Intel's lifeblood for decades, continues to shrink while consumers around the world buy up tablets and smartphones. Worldwide, about 80 million PCs shipped in the third quarter this year, including laptops. That's down about 8% from a year earlier. Now, Intel is playing catch-up in the mobile chip market, where the architecture of British rival ARM Holdings dominates.
It's an enormous threat. It's caused them to actually fundamentally shake up their business model.
Intel executives acknowledged Thursday that they had underestimated the impact of the mobile revolution. In fact, Chairman Andy Bryant said we are paying the price for that now, and that he was personally embarrassed. CEO Brian Krzanich said Intel will make high-margin chips for tablets and smartphones and try to target top-tier smartphone makers with its new chips. But some analysts warned Intel has no technology to dominate newer 4G smartphones.
In a mobile world, we care more about the connectivity portion of the equation than the compute. So it still sounds like they are caught in backward-looking thinking and haven't yet found out the vision or the answer that's going to allow them to succeed in the future. That's the problem. So basically, capital intensity is on the rise, and as a result, the guidance, at least from a gross margin perspective, wasn't very encouraging.
Those concerns have investors worried. The road will be especially tough for Intel, considering Apple and Samsung dominate the high end of the market. Samsung already buys chips from Qualcomm, which won't surrender that business easily, and Apple designs its own chips. So Intel's best bet there might be the lower margin business of building from Apple's blueprints. The forecast now for this Dow component, and an icon of the industry, has suddenly become cloudy. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Dominic Chu.